Hello everyone, welcome to Civil Sense. Today we will discuss how to make multiple plan and how to join each plan which with another. And this whole thing can be done using translational repeat. So how to use translational repeat to create something like I will show you like this. So how to draw or how to make multiple floors and how to join each floors. Okay, this is the ultimate result. There are multiple steps. So means there are multiple steps that has been applied. So I will discuss today only, that is how to create this plan multiple times and how to link one plan with another. And we all know in the previous video I have shown you that we will make one G plus 12 RC frame. Okay, so there will be one ground floor and 12 means floors, means first floor to there will be 12th floors. So G plus 12 means 12 floors will be there excluding ground floor, and if you include ground floor then there will be 13 floors. So today I will make 13 floors so that you first of all make the basic structure of the RC frame. Okay, so let's start. First of all, what to do? You have to make it as top view, means you have to see it from the top. Okay, so just here you can see top view, and it will uh, it will it will be got from view section. So when you click on view, then come in the top view. Now click on that. Here you can find this type of coordinate system, means this is the top view. Now start doing whatever I will show you. First of all, click on geometry and apply translational repeat. When you click on that, you will find this type of pop-up box. Here you can see in the previous video I have shown you that ground floor to first floor, the distance between this is 3.75 meter, that has been given to us. So just put here 3.75. okay, and see the means the vertical distance that that will be only plus y, means y. So global direction will be y. So xz plane is this plane grid is in the xz plane, but we will replicate the floors in the y direction. Correct. So the global direction will be set as y. Okay, and the y direction means in the upper, means when you go from bottom to top, you will assume y as positive. So there is nothing to write negative sign. You will not write negative sign, only plus 3.75. Now just click on this link step that you will find in the rightmost side. Now click on that link steps. What these link steps do? This link step, if you turn it on, then the two RC frame will be generated, and after that if you link this link step, then the two frame will be linked one with another. Okay, I will show you. first of all click on OK. Now you have to select, oh, so okay, so first you have to select the member. So I will first of all select this whole thing, this type of structure. You just select like this by dragging the left button from up to down. Now create OK. Now it has been generated already. Okay, now you cannot see from this view, so you have to change the view mode. Now change it. Now here you go in isometric view and click on that. Here you can see it has been generated. To see this highlighted floor is the ground floor, and one another same dimensions floor has been generated in the first floor. Now the whole plane grid that has been generated in first floor and that was in ground floor, that has been linked by each and every column. So here you can see these are the columns by which it has been linked. Okay, so the whole ground floor that is highlighted here, and the first floor that has been generated just after applying translational repeat. The two floors has been linked with each and every column so that it can show like a say house, means a building, small building having just one floor. First of all, this is the ground floor that has been highlighted, and just above it is the first floor. And now another thing you have to see this distance. You can see this should be 3.75, because you, again I have just told you that the ground floor is this one and the first floor is this one. Okay, so this is the first floor, this is the first floor. Okay, follow my cursor. So this is the first floor and this is the ground floor, this is the ground floor. So the distance between these two should be 3.75 because we have applied it in translational repeat. Okay, so just click on double click. So double click on this any member. So here you can see 3.750 meter. So hence it is correct, hence it has been correctly done. So just click on close and the first thing has been done. Means the ground floor to first floor we have covered. Up to that there is a change in the distance only 3.75, but in above that there will be 3.3 meter that has been given to us. Means the distance between two floor will be given to us, so there is no thing to worry, just you have to follow the distance. So just what I'll do now here. So first of all I will click on front view. Now you will click on the front view. See here, this is the front view, so just click on that. Now just drag from left to right like this. Okay, like this. Now just leave the left button. Here you can see this will happen. So if you drag the left button like this and just leave it after taking it in the right side, you will see this will be the highlighted portion. Now click on this selected object. Now click on the selected object. Now click on that. Oh, here you will see that the first floor has been cut. The first floor has been cut and it will show only the first floor. So selected object only show us the selected object that you have selected in the whole structure. Okay, so now click on this top view. Here you can see the same grid that we have made in the previous video. So the same grid has been replicated by using translational repeat. After that we will again replicate it up to 12th floor. correct? So here you can see now already ground floor has been generated. Now we will do again 12th floor, so that it will generate the high rise building, and it will form the basic frame of the high rise building. So now I will again go to geometry, then click on translational repeat, and again I will click on here. Now number of steps will be more, because I will generate 12th up to 12th floor, so I will generate up to 12. Okay, like this. And default step spacing, I will click on that and I will recorrect it as 3.3 meter, because it has been given to us. Now the global direction, again I have I have said you, but again I am saying that, see, this is the YZ plane, sorry, XZ plane, and just above that means the vertical distance that you are calculating from the XZ plane, that will be in Y direction only, and when you are going from bottom to top, the distance will be positive. So just global direction will be Y, because you are replicating the floors in the plus Y direction. Okay, so you have to just click on the Y and select this Y option in the global direction. Number of steps will be 12, and by default the step spacing will be 3.3, because all the floors are having the same distance, same floor to floor distance, that is 3.3 meter, that has been already given to us. Okay, now again don't forget to click on this link step, because this will link all the floors that you are generating. So now click on this OK button. Now again I am saying the same thing, that you have to select the, first of all you have to select this whole member. If you forget at first, then it will generate the pop-up box that will give you the indication that you have to select first, and then after selecting and after creating all these steps, you have to click on OK. After clicking, it will show like this, and here you will see lots of floors has been generated and linked again also. So just click on again to view all these. Just click on this isometric view and see here. After clicking the isometric view, you will see lots of frames, lots of plane grid has been generated, and it has been linked too. So for that, you now how to check it, that the structure is correct or not according to number of floors and number and the distance between two floors. First of all, go to the front view. Okay, just click on the front view. Now like just keep it like this, and now check, this is the ground floor, so it should be 3.75. Sorry, now see, I have not selected the whole structure. So you just first of all, once for one time, just click on the display whole structure. Now you will see the whole structure. Now click on again the front view. Here you can see this should be ground floor. So see here 3.75 meter. Okay, now from here means from this that has been highlighted, from this up to this, it should be 3.3 meter, and number of floors should be 12. So now check 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So our calculation is correct. Now you have to check the distance only, so it should be 3.3. yes. Now check up, check for the last only, because in between that will be same na, because we have applied translational repeat, and all the floors from first floor to 12th floor has been generated at a time. So if you check the last thing and last floor distance, and this is 3.3 meter, so in between intermediate floors distance are by default, you can see that you can assume that these are correct. So there is nothing to worry about that. So this is the whole structure. Just click on display whole structure, you will see this type of frame structure, and that will be RC frame structure. Lots of Now this is the second video of this series. Up to the last video, if you see all the videos, you will find how to create one RC building, and how to generate, how to give properties, how to give support, how to create loading, okay, how to apply loading, how to analyze it, and after that how to check the design that Staad Pro do after creating all the, and after following all the steps that Staad Pro advice. And after that, all by default the Staad Pro will give some design also, means each beam, how much reinforcement under it, and all these things. Okay, so I will show you one after another, when step by step I will give you videos, so there is no nothing to worry. So this is today's video, and I think you have understood that how to draw from one RC frame, from one plane grid. See, this plane grid I have made only at first. So after that, using only this translational repeat and basic knowledge of dimensions and basic knowledge of positive and negative sign, I have decided that how to create this whole structure up to 12th floor. And it is just, I have given you some tutorial videos. For that it is like 10 to 12 minutes it will go. But if you do on your own, and you have nothing, you have no tasks to make anyone to understand, then you can, if you do professionally, then you can do it in 2 minutes or hardly 3 minutes. Okay, so it is not very difficult, and you can do it very easily. So in the next video I will discuss the next steps that should be adopted to do the ultimate final this structure. Here you can see I have made this structure, and here all things are done. Actually, you can see here the properties are given, then materials all are concrete here. Now specification is not needed, but here you can see some circles are there. So sir, there are some specifications actually, because some moment has been released in between some beams, because there are some secondary beams. So all these things I will discuss. Now this support is given. Here you can see fixed support has been given. Now different definitions has been given. See here, wind load, then different types of loads has been given. After that, load combinations has also created. After that, you will analyze and you will run this button, and after that you will find this designs. Here you can see, after clicking on that, you can see concrete design. That thing I was talking to you. Okay, so this type of structure or this type of design, Staad Pro by default give you after following all the steps. Here you can see reinforcement is given, how much reinforcement is needed, what should be the distance between these two, means what should be the breadth, what should be the width, what should be the depth of beam. So all these things is given. And here you can see moments are given, all these things are given. A is given, then FYFC, or it is given in our question. Bar number is given. Okay, so all these things. Deflection is also given, how much deflection is expected. Shear bending is given, loading is given, all these things are given. So all these things will be given to you after following all the steps Staad Pro will give you. Okay, so there is nothing to worry. So now today I will end this video, and in the next video I will discuss after that what should you do to complete this type of structure. So stay updated, and please subscribe our channel.